Volkswagen Passat B6 remote key. It's working from time to time, or when you press hard. It's just a luck when you get it working, stated by the customer. So the transporter, I will check it's working. It's a ID48, a glass capsule, so it's individually from the remote. But the remote itself, let's do the frequency checking. Not working. Not working. So not really working at all. Also the red light, it's not powering up. Okay, first measure the battery, if it's good or not. 2.9 is the voltage of the battery. In any case, I will get the spare battery for the test purpose. Okay, a brand new Varta battery, which I know, 3.29. Okay, I will hold it with my hand. So also, yeah, now it worked. Now it's not working again. So unlock, it's not working. Lock working now. Unlock button not working at all. Trunk work and not work. Very hard. And also unlock, it's working quite hard. But the most important, the button to unlock your car, it's not working at all. So let's start the repair. What do we need? Oh, it's a different remote. We need something to open it. From what I see, someone already opened and glued it back in the past. So definitely this remote board had a prior repair attempt. So I will do nice and gently. From what I see, it's used fast glue. It's cracking. I don't recommend to use any fast glue because also it's burning. Myself with this one. Let's try from other side also. Here it's a lot of glue. It won't open right now, but we will manage to open it. So just carefully to not scratch or damage the PCB. Okay. I don't want to come out. So as you can see, lock and unlock was already replaced in the past by someone. Also forgot to clean the PCB, but we will replace again with brand new 3 buttons. Let's not melt this one. One. Two little piggy. Three little piggy. I will clean it fast. One important step if you do this type of button replacement, just take care not to hit too much, because here is the LED which is blinking a red when you press on the remote button. It's soldered on the other side and it can fall down very easy, and it's a little bit hard to try to solder it back. It happened to me many times, but after many times I try to take care of the button. So I will clean this side first, fast. Everything is clean, nice and shiny. The magic box with a lot of buttons which I have on the stock. I will grab 3 of them and put the magic box back. Okay, these are the bad ones. Let's move it outside of working area. Second and third one. Just a little bit flux. Not much, the pads are very small. make space for myself. So what I will do first, I will secure it. Each one, and then I will do the proper soldering of all pads. Straight, almost. Stay up. We want to get a little bit. Maybe some buttons have too much solder, but it's not an issue. It will work just fine. If nothing else, it's bad. I did not test each button with the multimeter because I know it's a common failure for this type of remote. So based on my experience, I did not need to measure each push of the button if it's really making continuity or not. So cleaning also the other side. It will dry fast with a little bit hot air. It's enough just to dry the alcohol. Again, this one. Let's really remove it. Okay, has been removed. I will put the battery. And start making the tests. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's work. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Also the LED is blinking each time when I push the button, so that means the continuity function of the button has been properly successful. Unlock also working. So easy repair for this remote. What I will do, I will glue this one back The transporter is in place. Everything is good. One moment. So I will use B17 Gravity Magic Rubber adhesive. It's used a lot for mobile phone repairs, but it's do the job also in my case. Okay, I'll use these clamps in order to fix it until the adhesive is drying. It's also used in mobile phone workshops when they replace the screen. They tighten the screen to the frame, so until the adhesive gets dry there also. But for remotes, for most of the remotes where I work, it's doing the job to hold them together until the adhesive has been dry. But when you put it, just take care to not press and squeeze the button which you put it as brand new. So here it's pressing my button, so I don't want to damage it. I will just press a little bit with the frame and that's it. What I do also, I put a battery and I want to make sure no button is pressed by the clamps, because it will stay like this few hours, and in few hours you can damage or reduce the life of the button. The repair is done. In few hours I will assemble the rest and give it back to the customer. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.